Listen, chapter number 4, determinants we are going to start. Right. First, what is the determinant? We'll see. Determinants definition. What I'm writing, just write Raja. Actually, determinant na we'll be using only square matrix. Already we have discussed this square matrix in the sense what va? Current. What is the square matrix ma? Equal number of rows and columns. So in a matrix, when we have a row and columns are equal, which is called a square matrix, we are telling. So that every square matrix to every square matrix of order n, square matrix of order n, why? So generally order means m by n or 1 by 2, like that two number they will mention. Why we are mentioning only one element n? N means n by n we can say n. Okay, 2 by 2 we can say order 2. 3 by 3 we can say order 3. Understand? That you have to understand here. So we can associate a number. What is that? We can associate a number. The number can be either a real number or a complex number. Either real number or a complex number means you will be getting the output. When you take determinant, you will be getting answer, right? The answer can be either a real number or a, what is that, complex. That's not a thing. It's called, what we can say, determinant of a square matrix. It's called determinant. Wait, ma. Determinant of the square matrix. Of the square matrix. Matrix A. Example I'll give Raja. Example I'll give. If I'm taking, first I'm going with the 2 by 2 generally, then I'll give 1 by 1. Order 1 is what, order 2, order 3, like that I'll give 1 by 1. So here for the definition, we'll give a 2 by 2 matrix I'm taking. Suppose A, B, C, D. If I'm taking a matrix with order 2, then the determinant how you will be writing. Then the determinant of A is how we can write, is what is that, written as, see, like modulus symbol they will give, but we should not use a modulus word. So you have to read this as determinant of A. If you are telling modulus of A, that is purely wrong. Understand? Don't say modulus of A. We have to say always determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to, what is that? A, B, C, D. Children, listen. Here there is a bend term, right? We are giving square bracket for a matrix, but in the determinant we will not make that bend. Like a bracket will not give, like a modulus symbol, but you should not say modulus. Determinant we have to say. So either that they will use, or they will use DT of A, like that also they will mention, or like triangle symbol they will give. Here little give delta they will say, or determinant, simply they will say determinant. So determinant of A they will be mentioning like that. So notes you have to take here, extra point note they will be giving. So I will give here note. First point, for matrix A, This determinant of A, see this symbol inside the two slash in between you are giving A, I'm right. How you have to read now? Read as determinant of A. What pa? Determinant of A, not modulus of A. Don't forget, modulus of A, if you are telling that is a mistake. Okay, that is a mistake. Determinant of A and not modulus of A. If you are telling modulus of A, that is a mistake, children. Don't forget. Okay, right. Second point, determinant. When we are starting the definition, what we are telling? Have you noticed this? Every square matrix we are telling. So determinant applicable only for the square matrix, means row and column must be equal. So second point, only square matrix or square matrices have a determinant. Have determinant. Have determinants. Okay. So this is the point you have to go. How to take determinant, that I will tell you. How to take determinant, that I will tell you. Third point I will give that. How to take determinant, I will give one by one. For order 1, for order 2, order 3, everything will see one by one. Okay. First you copy this. Shall we go next, pa? Means how to take determinant for each order. Order 1, order 2 and order 3. Shall we go one by one? Girl side, everybody done, pa? Right, faster, Raja. If those who have done, write the topic. Determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 1. So we'll go next. So determinant of a matrix of order 1. Okay, that we'll see. So order 1 in the sense n value 1. Okay. So if I'm taking one matrix A equal to one matrix, I'm taking A equal to Aij. Okay. So here 1 by 1 is the meaning. Order 1 means 1 by 1 meaning. So inside that Aij can be you take some element. Suppose if I'm giving one element like just capital letter A I'm taking now, then how the determinant will be? Listen, then determinant of A is equal to determinant of small a you will be getting. Listen children, this is a matrix form pa. Okay, so this is a matrix form order 1 by 1. The matrix form, when I write into determinant form, you should not give that a square bracket. Okay, you have to give that straight slash only. So determinant of what is the small a is equal to a only you will be getting, because there is no number to multiply anything, directly you will be getting. Okay, and second one, determinant of a matrix of order 2. Order 2 only there is a work. Order 2, there is a work, children. So here also we have to take a matrix. We have to take a matrix. What I'm taking, A, B, C, D, you can take are first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. The order 2 by 2. Okay, order 2 by 2. One matrix I'm taking here. With order 2 by 2 matrix I'm taking. So then determinant of A can be what? Then determinant det of A or normal determinant symbol of A also you can mention. So determinant of A na directly what is that? A11, A12 and A21, A22. This is the determinant symbol. You should not give here what is that any square bracket bar. Don't forget straight slash. That's it. So how we will be taking determinant? Listen children, determinant I gave. See, you can take cross multiple like this. You can take a cross multiply like this. So arrow mark down comes in a just plus da. So A11 element multiply with A22. We are multiplying. Arrow mark above goes na, we have to give minus. Minus A21, okay, into A, what is that? 1, 2. A, what I'm getting? 1, 2 we are multiplying. Okay, so the properly how we can say the minus and all how we are getting now. That see children with a here itself I will explain. The proper thing is what? While you taking determinant, the proper rule is what now? Minus 1 whole, what is that whole power? I plus j. Okay, I plus j into that product you have to take. Into that product. Into that product what we are getting? A11 and A22. That product you have to take. As per that you want to go like that only. Okay, based on that only you will be getting plus or minus. So when you add first element, see here like this we have to go, right? If I'm going by row wise. I'm going by row wise. So row 1 I'm using for the determinant. Suppose row 1 I'm using now. With help of this 2 element we can complete the determinant. With help of row 1 or with help of row 2 or with help of column 1 or column 2. Any one of this you can use. So 2 by 2 na just you product. You just add these many chances you will be getting. So 2 rows, 2 column na 2 plus 2, 4. 4 chances you will be having to take determinant. Suppose 3 by 3 na 3 plus 3, 6. 6 chances you have to taking the determinant. Understand? Any one you can use. Suppose if I'm going a row wise now. See, minus 1 whole power I and j I said. What I said? I and j. So that I and j what here? When I take first element means I and j value 1. So 1 plus 1 like that. 1 plus 1. Understand? So into the first element what? A11. A11 if you are taking now, the row and column you have to strike out. Remaining what I have, that you have to multiply with the A11. Okay. So what I have after remove that row and column na A22 only I have. So A22 I have to multiply with A11. Same manner plus okay minus 1 whole power. Second element when I go, what is second element? 1 plus 2, 3. Or else you write 1 plus 2 as it is. 1 plus 2. So second element when I go, I want write here second element. Means A12 you should mention. A12. A12 when you take A12 row, A12 column you have to strike out. What is remaining I have? A21. So A21 you have to write there. Into A21. Like that only we are getting the proper manner. After simplifying this, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 2. 2 means even number. Even number is there with minus 1 whole power. Na, it is a positive. So that positive A11 into A22 you will be getting. Here 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 means odd. Okay, the odd power when we have you will be getting negative only. So that negative A12 and A21. This is we have done with help of cross multiply. Okay, this is we have done with help of cross multiply. Either you learn cross multiply or proper method, not an issue. But cross multiply will be very useful. Little speed up you can complete the determinants. Understand? So that both you learn. But what is why we are getting negative? This negative cross multiply. What I'm telling. When you multiply, what is the down to upward? Na, we can put minus. I'm telling. Why there is a doubt? Right? So this is the way to get negative and positive. Understand? With the help of row 1, same answer you will be getting if you do by with the help of row 2 also. I will give you some example, then you will understand. Down you write. After this, down you write. So 1 A I am giving 1 2 I am giving 9 and minus 3 minus 3 will, or else plus 3 will give. Any one example. Any one example will take. Okay, right, fine. Now take determinant, Raja. Take determinant. Determinant of A equal to determinant 1 to 9, 3 in the sense. What is the idea I said? We have to take cross multiply. If you are taking cross multiply, not an issue. Okay, very simple. 1 into 3, arrow mark up goes na, just minus we have to give 9 into 2. That's it, very simple. So 1 into 3, 3, minus 9 2s are 18. When you subtract, minus 15 is our determinant. Very simple. I'm not using row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. Just directly cross multiply is better way for 2 by 2. For 2 by 2, this is the better way. Just cross multiply and put the negative middle. Okay, this is the best way. Suppose, example 1. Example 2, if you have a negative, some element, if you have a negative, what you will be doing? 1 minus 2, 9, 3 is there. Same number, but I'm giving negative. So determinant of A is equal to, what you will be getting? 1 minus 2, 9, 3 in the sense. So when you take cross multiply, 1 into 3, same 1 into 3, formula minus 9 into minus 2, 9 into minus 2. Now what you will be getting? 1 3s are 3, minus into minus plus, 9 2s are 18, which is, sorry, 1 3s are 3, yeah, 3. So what I'm getting? 18 plus now 21 I'm getting. What I'm getting, Raja? 21. So with the help of sign, the answer may change. Be careful here. Understand? The formula minus is what? Middle we are giving negative when you product upward. Don't forget that. Okay, when you product upward, you will be getting one negative in middle. That is very important. Right. Next we are going for determinant of a matrix for order 2. Okay. Sorry, order 2 is over. Order 3 we will go. Order 3 we will go. Order 3. Right fast, pa. Shall we start for next? Order 3 we will go, Raja. So determinant of a matrix of order 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3. Okay. Order 3 means n value 3 here. So A is equal to, listen children, I'm taking the matrix A11 means first row, first column, and A12, A13, like that. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Same manner, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. Like that, I'm taking a matrix. For this matrix, if you want to take determinant, how you will be taking? Just listen, children, carefully. Just listen carefully, then only you will understand. Listen carefully. So that what is that? Determinant of A or DT of A. Any one you write, no need to write both. So determinant symbol you should give first. So A11, A21, A31. Same manner A12, A22, A32. Like that, A13, A23, A33. That's it. So how you will be going to take determinant? Listen children, very important. Always what I said, minus 1 we should give first. what element you are taking first, that row and column you have to give in a power. Okay, if I'm taking a element A11 na, so 1 plus 1 you should give 1 plus 1. Understand what I'm giving? Just listen. 1 plus 1 in power and A11 you write as. So what you are writing the element, first row, first column na, that element must be given in the power. Okay, that only will be deciding what is either plus or minus, that only will be deciding. Understand? Right. So A11 if you are taking na, that row and column you have to strike out. That row and column you have to strike out. Remaining what you have? Remaining what we have? It forms one 2 by 2. Have you noticed? It forms one 2 by 2. What is that? A 1 2, sorry, A22, A23, A32, A33. All those things you have to write after that A11. So the determinant of this everything you have to write. Okay, write that one A22, A23, A32, A33. Okay, determinant closed. Same manner second. Second when you go also plus minus 1 whole power. Second element what Raja? A12. A12 if you are taking now, the power 1 plus 2 you have to give. 1 2 means what? Second row, third column. Sorry, second row, second column. What I'm telling? Wrong, I'm right. So A12 na first row, second column. Okay. So that you have to strike out. So remaining what you have? That you have to form a matrix. Means A21, A23, A31, A33. This everything you have to form a matrix here. Okay, shall we form the Raja? That you have to form matrix. This one, this 4 you have to form a matrix. Okay. So A21, A31. Next these two. What is that? A23, A33. Over apa? Same plus third number. Third number is what? A13. Yeah? So minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 in the power, which I am taking the term first row, third column. First row, third column na, that we have to give in a power. Okay. Now matrix. So where you are taking that row and column. Row, this row and column you strike out. Row and column. Vertical means column, horizontal na row. Okay, that you strike out. What we have remaining, that you should write here. What we have remaining, that you should write. So that first A21, A22 and A31, A32. What I wrote? Only this, because this we are striked out, I'm right. So only that we have to copy. Right, fine. Now if you simplify, you will be getting the answer, Raja. So that minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 na, it will be plus, because there is a even power. Even power na plus A11. When you multiply this, what you will be getting? A22 minus, sorry, A22 multiply A33, because these two we are multiplying them, right? That is what. And arrow above goes na, I told you minus in the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, minus A32 into A23. That's it. One element over. Okay, one point. And here 1 plus 2, 3. 3 means odd number. Odd power when you have, it will be negative. So that minus 1 into A12. 1 if you want to mention, or else leave it. Okay. And this one, if you product, what you will be getting? A21 into A33 minus, arrow above if goes na, we should give minus. Don't forget in the 2 by 2, that is the shortcut. And A31 into A23, you have to product. Understand? And last one, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 means even power. Even power na plus. So 1, 3 into, what is that? This we have to take cross multiply. A21 into what I am getting pa? A21 into A32 minus, arrow mark above goes na, minus A31 into A22. That's it, Raja. So this is the way to take a determinant. This is row wise I have done. What is that? Row 1. Okay, this is by row 1. Even you can go by row 2, means row 1 means what? Only this I have used for taking determinant. Any one is enough. Either row 1 or row 2 or row 3. Same manner column 1, column 2, column 3. Any one you can use out of 6. So I use the row 1 to find the determinant here. Example I will give. Example I will give. Example I will give here. Down you write the example. And down you just write the example, Raja. Example number 1. So A is equal to, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Normal matrix with 3 by 3 I have taken. So what I did, same thing we have to do in the number work. So determinant of A equal to what you will be doing, listen carefully. Determinant of A is equal to, determinant of A equal 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. Just determinant symbol. Determinant you should not use a matrix symbol. Means closed bracket you should not give. Now, if I am finding that, what you will be getting, let's see children. Listen pa. First 1 I am taking. 1 means what ma? A11, A12, A13. With help of row 1 only I am going to find. So that A1, 1 plus 1 what pa? 2. 2 means plus. So plus what we have here, number 1. That number 1 you give. Row and column if you strike out, what we have that you write. 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, matrix you have to form. Sorry, determinant. 5, 6, 8, 9. That's it. And second means 1, 2. 1 plus 2 when you add 3. 3 means odd number. Odd number comes na negative. Okay. And what is the element we have? 2. 2 you just write. And the 2 column and row if you strike out 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay. And plus y plus, because 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3, what I am getting 4. 4 means even number. Even number na positive. And what we have element 3. That 3 you write here. Row and column if you strike out, what I am getting 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. This is our answer. Okay. Now you just take cross multiply, Raja. Okay. 1 into, if you take multiply like this, what you will be getting? 9 5s are 45. Arrow mark above goes na, it will be negative. Okay. It will be negative. And what I am getting 8 6 are 48. Minus 2 into, arrow mark down na, plus 9 4s are what is that, 36, minus 7 6 are 42. Why I am giving minus? Arrow above goes na minus. Or else in the 2 by 2 I gave one idea how to do properly. That is also you can go. But shortcut is better always. 3 into, okay, 4 8s are 32, minus, arrow mark above goes na minus, 7 5s are 35. Simplify this part, you will be getting the answer. So that 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 3, minus 2 into 36 minus 42, I am getting minus 6 pa, plus 3 into 32 minus 35, you will be getting minus 3. Now simplify ma. 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12, and 3 into minus 3, minus 9 you will be getting. So everything when I add, what I am getting Paraja? Plus 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0 I am getting. Okay. Either 0 or plus number or minus number or complex number, anything you will be getting ma. Understand? Be careful here. Anything you will be getting. We got here 0. One more example I will give. Can I rub that general form which I gave? Have we done general form? Is anyone writing the general form? Right. One more example 2 I am giving for this. Example 2. Why sir you giving example 2? There is one thing is there. That is what I am giving. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here any one element or two element I am going to make 0. Then what is our answer? Listen. Suppose 5 I am making, and this will be I am making 0 na. Listen Raja. Listen. I told you either row 1 or row 1, row 2, row 3, or column 1, column 2, column 3. If you use determinant will be same, I said. Now, what is the way to make easy answer in the sense? Listen, in the column 2, we have some zeros are there. Have you noticed? So now the determinant I'm going to do with help of column 2. With help of column 2, if you make determinant, what is my answer? That will be easy to go, right? If I'm taking actually, listen children, this is what first row, second column. This is second row, second column. This is a third row, second column. Be careful, that is very important to make plus or minus. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 means what ma? 1 plus 2 na 3. 3 means odd number na negative. 0 into anything 0. So don't do it. Don't do it. Leave it. So 0. And 2 plus 2 what pa? 4. 2 plus 2 4. 4 means what? Plus. See why we are adding this to right plus or minus only. Even number na plus, odd number na minus. Only that purpose only we are adding and we are checking what we are getting. Okay. Right. So 2 plus 2 4. 4 means even. Even means plus. I gave. And this element is what? 0. 0 into anything 0. So don't make means here 0. If you are taking the row and column, you have to strike out. Remaining element will be making 2 by 2. That is and all don't want to go. Okay. If you are doing also, that will be 0. If you want to do, I will do. Listen, 0 if you are giving now, the first element row and column, if we strike out, what we have? 4 6 7 9. What we have, Raja? 4 6 7 9. 4 6 7 9. So 0 into anything 0 only. No, that is what I didn't take the determinant. Here the 2 by 2 I didn't find. Like that, a 2 2 in the sense plus 0. Same manner, if we strike out that row and column, what I am getting? 1 3 7 9. What I am getting? 1 3 7 9. 1 3 7 9. Remaining element, which I am cancelling, remaining you have to take. Same manner, what is this? A 3 2. 3 plus 2 what? Add 3 plus 2. 5. 5 means what number? Odd number. Odd number now what I said? Negative. Negative, and what we have here? 8. 8 is there now. You should make the matrix. So 8, if you cancel 8 row on the column, what I am getting? 1 3 4 6. Remaining 1 3 4 6. The remaining I am taking 1 3 4 6. Okay, 1 3 4 6. Don't forget 1 3 4 6. Now the first will be what? 0, leave it. Second will be what? 0, leave it. Minus 8 into 1 into 6 6. Arrow mark above goes now minus here. What is that? 4 3s are 12. So what I am getting? Minus 8 into 6 minus 12 minus 6. Minus into minus plus. You can write that 4 8s are 48. See, this is very easily I have done. Have you noticed with column 2? With column 2. Suppose, sir, I don't want to go with the column 2. Let me try with the same row 1, sir. If you are trying, then also you will be getting same answer. If you want to try, you try children, you will be getting same answer. I hope 2 example is enough for 3 by 3. Okay, we will start the exercise or example in the textbook. All the steps you can apply. Very important thing in the note you just write, Raja. In note you just write. Okay, minus 1 whole power I plus j. Okay, I plus j equal to, you will be getting plus 1 or minus 1. When you will be getting plus 1, I plus j. Okay, if I plus j is even, you will be using plus 1. Plus 1 or just plus. If I plus j is odd number, okay, is odd number, you can use that what actually minus. Very important. By using that only, I'm using the, what is the plus minus and all, how I'm using with the help of this only. Understand? Very important that plus minus, don't forget. Few more point I'll give, extra point in the note. This is point number 1 and point number 2. You just add this point number 2. What I am giving, that you write. So through this example 2, what do you understand, Raja? Where we have a number of zeros extra, that if we choose, it will be easy to find a determinant. Have you noticed, ma? So for easy way, I am choosing the number of zeros where we have, that you have to choose. Purvika, are you listening? Right. Okay, next. Suppose I have what is that? A, if A is equal to K B. Okay, K B I have, where A and B are square matrix, of order n, in the sense, if I'm taking determinant of A and determinant of C, children, this is very important. They will be giving in the MCQ. So if you have like this, na, K is a scalar. What is K is a and K is any constant or scalar, you can say, or any real number or whatever. So it will be any constant. K is a constant, you can say. K is what, Raja? Any scalar or a constant, you can say. Okay. K is a constant, any constant or any scalar. Okay. If I'm taking like this, now the determinant is what? K power n into determinant of B. Very important. This is what is the order? What is the order? That we have to give in a power. That we have to give in a power. Very important. That we have to give in a power. Very important formula. Okay, very important formula. In the MCQ they will be giving. In the MCQ they will be giving. Kindly be careful when you do here. For that third one, I will give one example. Have you done all those things for remaining? Have you copied, ma? Have you copied everything? Right. I want to give some example. Children, listen. For this, I will give example, Raja. Suppose A equal to, I have one number. What is that? I have 2, 2, 4, 0. This is one A matrix. Listen. If you are taking directly determinant of A, what I am getting? 2, 2, 4, 0. What I am getting? If you take cross multiply 0 minus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to minus 8. Am I right? This is directly if you take. R method is what na? The 2 is common in all the matrix, sorry, all the element which is in the matrix, am right? The 2 you take outside. The 2 if you take outside, the matrix will become what? 1, 1, 2, 0. Have you noticed? See, whatever we have outside, if we take, we have to multiply inside with every element of the matrix. Am I right? So that while you take outside also, you have to take like that. Now this is the matrix. If I'm taking determinant for this, what I'm getting? Determinant of A is equal to, what is that? 2 into determinant of 1, 1, 2, 0. If you do now, you will not get the answer. Listen, you will not get the answer. 2 into, if we take multiply, 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 ones are 2. If you multiply each, are you getting minus 8, Raja? Are you getting minus 8? Wrong. That is what I gave that this formula. That is what I gave this formula. Any scalar is there now. What I want to give in a power? What I want to give in a power? The order. The order is what? That you have to give in a power. Then you will be getting correct answer. So, what you will be getting correct answer? What is order of the matrix here? 2 by 2. So, what is our order? 2. The order you have to give in the power. The order you have to give in the power. Where we have a scalar, there you have to give in a power. Then only you will be getting correct answer, ma. Now you see 2 square what pa? 4. Now you multiply 1 into 0, 0 minus, and arrow mark goes up now, minus you have to give 2 ones are 2. Now you multiply 4 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Have you noticed it? Have you noticed? So the formula is very important. 2 power 2 or 2 power 3 based on the scalar, I mean based on the order. Based on order what we have, the order you have to give in the power. The order you have to give in a power. Very important. Have you understand? These things and all they will be asking in the MCQ only. So sometime order can be 1, 2, 3. So till 3 only we have. Here you write, children. Actually, n value they will be giving 1, 2, 3. Okay, till this only we have a syllabus. Means 4 by 4 matrix and all we don't have in +2. Understand? So till 3 they will give order 1, 2, 3. That's it. Shall we start the exercise, pa? Okay, we'll end this video. We'll end this video, children. Exercise will start in the new video. Okay, thank you, children. Bye.